Alright YouTube, so we are in the 01 Celica GTS. Gonna replace the cabin air filter. This is a 2001 GTS, 230,000 miles on it. No telling when the filter has been replaced. Essentially it's in the glove box. I'll remove all my stuff. And there's these two little knobs that you twist. And the glove box will kind of fall down into place here. So once you turn the knobs, the glove box kind of falls down. It doesn't actually come all the way off. These are the little knobs that you twist. I got this Fram Fresh Breeze cabin air filter at Walmart for about 14 bucks. And you can see the air filter is right in there. Slide it out. And, ooh, yes. This needs to be replaced. There's leaves, there's debris, there's all sorts of stuff in here. So just for a little comparison, here's the new one compared to the old one. So this will at least freshen up the car, and especially the air. So let's get this installed and slide it back in. So there's the comparison between each filter. This one is absolutely horrible. Look at it. There's no telling how many miles this one has on it. And here's the new one. So all you do is just slide it back in there, shut the glove box, and put it back together, and you can breathe freshly now. So for more videos, please like and subscribe, and follow this Celica build. Hopefully got window tint coming soon. I can see very clear windows. Gonna do some audio upgrades, but this car has come a long way since before I first got it. Again, please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Have a great day.